ये मैं हूँ, ये हमारे पति देव है और ये हमारे बच्चे हो रहे हैं। ये मैं हूँ, ये हमारे पति देव है और ये हमारे बच्चे हो रहे हैं।
Hello, hi everyone. I am back on Instagram Live, and yeah, it's been a long time, and it's been ages, in fact. And a lot of festivals have passed by, but I couldn't come live, so sorry for that. And a lot of people were telling me to come live, so here I am finally. And to start with, let me put it this way: this is my evening because we've been shooting back-to-back night shoots. So I just woke up around 6 or something, 6 p.m. in the evening, and we are back to shoot right now, and we'll be shooting till early hours. I would say like 7 a.m. or something, 8 a.m. So that's how it's going on, and it's going good. I'm shooting for web right now, for Hero, and I can't wait for you guys to watch it. But it's good to see everyone out there, and hope you guys doing really well and really good for Yisu. And also I know it's COVID time. I know it's just the hell lot of confusion whether people should be inside their houses or should step out, meet their friends, work. But to a point, to an extent, we should be positive, and we should be getting out. We should be getting out with all the safety and precautions, and make sure that our loved ones are protected and our work is happening. Hey Abhilash, कैसा है तू? Yeah, in fact, congratulations for your singing, and I've heard multiple times, and I appreciate your talent. I've in fact appreciated you very well. So all the best for that. Congratulations, and I shall see you soon. And yes, I will see you. I will meet you soon. So yeah, what's up, everyone? Hi, how are you? So if anyone wants to ask any sort of questions, please go ahead. I will be glad to answer them. I'll try to answer them. And I'm shooting right now for a web, just to let you know what I'm up to right now. Okay, I should rather start taking names of people. Let's see. Arya Thakur. Thank you, Arya. Thank you so much. So yes, of course, let me put it this way, that I would like to thank all the Parthians for supporting me, for bringing me all the love. And also I heard that we crossed 1 million hashtags of Parth Samthan, so which is really great. It's an achievement altogether, because there you see so much of love coming from across all over India, and not only India but also all over the world. So it's great to see that, and thank you so much for giving me all the blessings and all the love possible. Yes, so Miss Prajapati, there I took your name. Hi Shivani, hi Nikita. So a lot of people are asking me, is season 4 coming of Kaisi Hai Yaariyan? Unfortunately, I've been shooting back to back with Hero. Can't say much on that, but let's see. I don't know. I don't even know what Neeti is up to. Apparently, we get to know through social media that she's getting married and all. It's surprising, but yes, it's great. I'm really happy for her. And yes, we're in touch, but we just not able to meet up or not able to catch up. But we'll soon meet up, and I hope that she deserves all the happiness after marriage. So yeah. So the question, my web series, when is it coming? So for now, till December 24th we're shooting, and then Jan May we're shooting some 5 to 10 days, a week max, and then hopefully in the month of March or April we'll get to see the show, and fingers crossed. The show has lot of action and lot of drama and lot of chaos and romance and lot of kick-ass gangster stuff. So I hope you guys will watch it. I hope you guys will like it, and of course feedback is appreciated much. So let's see, let's wait for that. Hi Nancy, hi, how are you? Muskan Chaudhary, hi Muskan, hey, hi. Priyanka Gupta, there you go, hi. Hi Zahin, Pragya. So any one of you has any sort of questions for me, you can go ahead, you can ask. I will try to answer. What's your character name in Hero? So my name is Nawab in the show, and as it belongs to a character from Meerut, from UP, and he hails from there and he comes down to Bombay, and then his journey. The show is all about that, of how he gets into all the gangster stuff, the boys and the gang, and how he grows himself, the journey of him. Thank you so much everyone for your blessings you've been wishing. Nawab Mia Bhai, Assalamu alaikum. When are you coming to Pune? I was in Pune for Diwali with my family, because that's what I feel, that Diwali is all about spending time with your family. So yeah, I had a great time, and now I'm back over here. So let's see, after Christmas and New Year's I've taken off, so possibly I'll travel somewhere. Let's see. Hopefully not India, but somewhere out. I don't know. I think I deserve a break, because everyone deserves a break basically. During this COVID, we're not able to travel anywhere, especially international. So let's see. Hi Tony. Hey Sana, hi. How is your Hero shoot going? My shoot is going really well, although it's hectic, but we're shooting night shoots. We're having some crazy dance scenes and some party scenes, and we're having good fun, and it's great to meet new bunch of people, new talent, and also we have a huge gang, huge cast over here, like at least 15-20 of them shooting together, and it's nice. It's nice to know new people, new talents, and there you come to know that you're so blessed, because a lot of people come together to make a show happen, and a lot of people are putting a lot of efforts in it. So yeah, it's not easy to make a web show or any television show or any film for that matter. Hi Sabita, hi Kisu Wasrani, hi Itu, what's up? Hey Gauri, hi. Anita, hi everyone. DY Yadav, there, I took your name. Thank you so much. So people are asking me that am I shooting something with Erica? I don't know. For now, to no. But she's been shooting something on YouTube, and she's very talented when it comes to creating content over it, and I appreciate that, and I've appreciated her in fact, because she has a lot of creative sense when it comes to promoting any brands or anything for that matter, and I'm equally bad because I'm totally occupied with work and shooting and everything, so I don't much get time. Hi Kushi, hi Nisha, there, I took your name. Geeta, hi Geeta. आप मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए, आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है? Erica, there you go, see, you live 100 years. People just asked about you and you are like big fan. Yes, you are, I know that. Thank you so much. When will I work with Neeti Taylor? Like I said, I don't know. I've been caught up with my current show, and let's see. Once we both get time and the makers are ready to make the show again, season 4. Hi Vaishnavi, hi. Hi, Dr. Himani. What else? What else? Just ask me any question or anything for that matter. Say Chirkut. There you go. Chirkut. Hi Kirti, what's up? Hey Ariba, hi. Okay, please notice me part there. I missed your name. Sorry. The names are going quickly, so I'm not able to register one particular name. Hi Ash. Hey Amisha, hi. So give me one chance to act in your show. So Erika has been asking me to give her one chance to act in my show. Well, let's just say that I've worked with you for 2 years. Isn't that enough, Erika? Small role will also do. Well, let's see. We have some crazy dance performances happening over here. I think you should be a part of it because you're good with your dance moves. So yeah. Divya, hi. Shraddha, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hey Kavya, hi. Hi Lija, James. Krishna, hey, what's up? Hi Sheetal, how are you? Hey Pammi, hi. कसौटी ज़िंदगी का शो कब स्टार्ट होगा? वेल अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट that is not happening because we move on. The project is done now and we're done for good, and we had some great time shooting that space. In fact, today is my Baba's birthday. On screen Baba Uday Tekekar, so I wished him. We just had a group chat with me, Sahil, Pooja and everyone, and we had some good laugh over it. And Baba is in Mahabaleshwar right now enjoying with his family. So yeah, we're pretty much in touch with all the actors on the show. Hi Shraddha, hi. Hey Rudrani. Yes, Erika, I actually wished Baba. Don't worry about that. Of course, I remember his birthday. Swati, hey, hi. Omna, Ayantara. Thank you so much, Anu. Done with your hero shoot? No, hero shoot. I think December 23rd. We are finishing a good chunk of it, and Jan will be shooting for some 5 to 6 days, possibly, and then we are done. You didn't add me now. Well, it was Shubhi's call, so I think you should rather ask Shubhi, Erika, about this. Ethel, hi Ethel, what's up? Hi Madhumita. Well, I'm not able to register. Even I missed everyone's. Hello sir, hi. Please show me your mug. Well, there you go. It's this Thanos mug. If you're a Marvel fan, you'll understand. Hi Revati, what's up? So for now, right now I'm shooting for Hero, and it's a night shoot, and I'll be shooting till morning, 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. possibly, and we have a last day over here at this particular location, and then we'll be shooting in Bandra for our aage ki scenes. Bye Erika, bye. I'll see you soon, very soon. Catch up, and we'll have our serious discussions, serious conversations about life. Hi everyone. Well, any questions that you guys have, you guys can go ahead and ask me, and I'll be happy to answer them. Shweta, hey, hi. Any other project with Indie Taylor? Well, let's just focus on season 4 right now rather than any other project, because that is taking hell lot of time to make that happen. So yeah. Hi Pezan. Hey buddy. Hi. What's up? आप बहुत ज़्यादा फूडी हो शायद. Yes, I am pretty much foodie because all I think about is मैं डिनर में क्या खाऊंगा, मैं लंच में क्या खाऊंगा, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट क्या करूंगा, and I just keep thinking कि ये अच्छा खाना है, but I have to keep a control on it. I have to keep a check on it because obviously being in this field you cannot just overeat or eat excessively. So yeah. Sir, मेरा next show. Okay, so there you go. So apart after Hero, possibly, hopefully, inshallah, I'll be doing a film, and let's see. And I don't want to give it out that what film I'm doing right now because it's too early to say. But yes, I'm doing a film, and TV I'm not doing for now. So I won't be doing television for now. I'm sorry that you guys won't be able to see me very soon. But yes, you'll be able to see me in Hero very soon, and post Hero, inshallah. In a film. Yeah. Can you say something in Arabic? I don't know. I mean, Assalamu alaikum. No, that is good too. Arabic is Wallah Habibi. इतना ही आता है, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं आता. In fact, I'll have to visit the Middle East countries once the COVID thing gets done to learn more Arabic. Speak Marathi once. काय बोलू, तुम्ही माझ्याशी मराठीमध्ये बोला, मग मी तुमच्याशी मराठीमध्ये बोलतो. आणि जास्त मी बाहेर बोलत नाही आणि इथं आपलं मुंबईमध्ये पण बोलत नाही, पण मी माझ्या फॅमिलीसंग बोलतो, आईसंग बोलतो मराठी, आणि मस्त बोलतो, स्पष्टपणे बोलतो. आणि इट्स दॅट लँग्वेज दॅट इट जस्ट कनेक्ट्स यू विथ युअर फॅमिली. Who is your best friend? So I don't have one particular best friend. I have many best friends. I have many good friends, close friends. In fact, I have Nitin. I have Scarlett. I have Pooja. I have from the people that you know of. I have Irshad. I have Darshan, and even Amna for that matter. We've been in touch since I was tested positive for COVID, and she helped me a lot regarding food and all. And she was very caring, she was very understanding in that. So I totally respect her for that. And so we had a great bond over that. And yeah, I've been catching up with a lot of people, and also I have made a lot of new friends when I was in Goa back then. 1 month I was in Goa and enjoyed thoroughly. I enjoyed like anything because like I said, we all need a break, and I was off Kasauti was done. So yeah, we were actually traveled a lot over there. We were with my friends, and day in and day out we were enjoying. We had great fun, good views, good beaches, good food. Yes, food, how can I forget? Every day we were visiting some of the other cafe and we were enjoying some lovely food over there. You guys must try out if you're in Goa. So I'll mention some couple of places, although I know you haven't asked me, but still letting you know, when it comes to food, I can tell you, if you guys go to Goa, please go to this place called Jamun in Vagator. It's lovely. It's Vagator and Anjuna. It's amazing. The food is amazing. You'll love it. So there's one place called Vagator Bistro Vagator. You can visit. You have some great Italian food over there, and good desserts, good presentation, and lovely service. Also apart from that, Baba Olaram. I'm sure if people had been in Goa, they must have visited this place by now. So yeah, these are 3 places. People are asking me, do I like Korean dramas? Well, let me put it this way. I've watched a lot of Korean cinema, and I feel the romance over there is at par. I mean, we should actually take inspiration from them, because the way they make it, the purity and the innocence that they have over them, it's so nice and beautiful, and so emotionally connected. So I love Korean cinema. I love Korean dramas. I've seen a couple of shows, in fact 4-5 shows, very good shows, and I've watched a lot of films, in fact, in Korea, from Korean. So yeah. Well, hey Alice Kashyap, hi. My favorite song. So my favorite song right now, currently, for the past 2 months, I've been listening to one song, Allah Ke Bande, and I have even mentioned it in my profile. And I love this line, beautiful line. When one day in Goa, I remember when I was very emotionally low, and I was listening to this song, and this song just inspired me like anything. Just letting you guys know that the line is so beautiful, that Allah ke bande has de zara, jo bhi ho kal phir aayega. So it literally means that whatever you've been through today, or whatever you're going through, don't worry. Just be calm. Tomorrow will be a better day, and tomorrow you can smile. Right now, just let it go. So that is how you should live your life, because life is not about just living happily, because then it becomes monotonous and boring. Life is all about, of course, having problems, because everyone has his problems. Everyone has some or the other problems. Life is all about solving them and living a life.